You know, and this sight tape might be okay. I might need to adjust my pin. Oh, that's all three. Oh, what the heck? I'm missing an arrow. Hold on. Oh, it's in my. Alright. Ass. I have a mark for the ass, and then I have a mark for the front shoulders. I can't shoot where the regular is because it's blowed out. I bought that target for like $10, and I almost shot without an arrow. How cool would that have been? At least I checked it. Last year I wasn't checking that kind of stuff. 42 yards. That last one was dead nuts. My sight tape's fine. It was just me. Just me. I assumed it was just me, but you know, I like to blame it on the bow. Be nice if I could blame it on the bow. Alright, first shot here is the one I caught my sleeve in. This was my second shot. It's out of the white, so we're going to call that an 8. It looks like I just missed it. Yeah, in the center there would be 11. On the outside edge there is 10. Anything out of that's an 8-ish. If it's way out, like that one there, I might even call it a 5. But I would call it an 8. I'm not counting that one. I caught my sleeve, so it is what it is. The javelin is hard. The javelin is hard because it has all these little white spots on it. I felt myself drop on it. My freaking peep sight's loose. My Hamsky peep sight's loose. So I gotta go fix that. And I just caught the 10. A little low on that one. Might have to adjust my sight tape a little bit, but definitely a little low there. Ass. I have a mark for the ass, and then I have a mark for the front shoulders. I can't shoot where the regular is because it's blowed out. I bought that target for like $10, and I almost shot without an arrow. How cool would that have been? At least I checked it. Last year I wasn't checking that kind of stuff. 42 yards. I hit my sleeve, but I made a dead nut shot. Like I hit a 12 ringer on that sucker. I 12 ring that sucker. At least I think I did anyhow. Looking at it from here, it looks like a 12er. Yeah, man, I inside out of that sumbitch. That was a perfect shot for 42 yards. Alright, shooting the feeding deer again. Except this time we're shooting the front shoulder. Not in where you normally. I put a circle up there. You'll see it when we go up to the target. I got 24 yards. I don't really have a 24 mark. I got a 2 and then a 25 mark. I don't have a bunch of little marks. So I'm just gonna go like one click above 20 or above the 5. It's just a 5, 2, a 5, and 3. There's no little tick marks. 24.2. That was 18. Yeah. 10, 8, 10, 28. Oh man, I almost missed that. Holy shit. I don't know why I felt so bad on that. Shoot it again quick. I was worried about my sleeve getting caught. shot high. I don't know why that one gave me a hard time. Alright, you can see this was the 42 over here. I nailed the 11 there. This was my first shot and this was my second shot. You know, call that an 8, I guess. Call them both 8s. Call them both 8s. So we got an 11 and then an 8. I don't know why I was so off up. I wasn't on very level ground, and that's no excuse, you know. Not every shot's perfect, but yeah, I was off on that one. That was all me. I keep feeling like my sight tape's off. I feel like it's high. I'm gonna put it on 38. So if my sight tape is high, I might try the number 8 sight tape and put it in there and try it out. Alright, I put it up on 38 now. Let's see what that does. Let's see. That was the low bottom 12. Hit the bottom 12. This is an ASA target. It might have been just me. That's 40. 39. Like, I feel like it's just a little high. You know, and this sight tape might be okay. I just need to, I might need to adjust my pin. Oh, that's all 3. Oh, what the heck? I'm missing an arrow. Hold on. Oh, it's in my... Alright. We are right on. We're right on the 39. Just actually right above the 39. Right, like basically, like my pin's touching the top of the 9. That felt good and looked a little weird. Oh no, that was money. That last one was money. That last one was dead nuts. My sight tape's fine. It was just me. Just me. I assumed it was just me, but you know, I like to blame it on the bow. It'd be nice if I could blame it on the bow. And definitely high. And then this down here was my second shot. That's in the bottom 12. And then my third shot was on the money, and it's in the bottom 12. So the bottom 12's in play. I hit it twice. It's just for practice. I'm at the house. That will help my score. I'm gonna call it a 12. Oh. Ooh, that looked good. Looked good, felt good. Oh yeah, that's in the white. That's a 12er. That's a 12er. Oh no, 11. I don't know if you can see it or not, but on the way down, I shot through this thing right here, and I'm shooting back up through it too, like just to make it a little bit more interesting. So if you see this thing in there, I am shooting through the center of it. I did on the way down to it, the deer. I shot all 3 shots through the center of it. I forgot to point that out. Alright, if I hit the white, we're calling it an 11. If it's in the white, the middle square there, it's 10, 11, 10, and 8, and 5. That's the way I did this one. Alright, that's an 11. Yay, finally got, so I'm shooting good. That's a little low, but my left and right is on, and that's the big thing for me. I was really worried about my left and right. That looks like it's right where I was aiming. Yeah, it's damn near perfect right in between the 3. Let's see how we do up on the rock. I think you guys can see me. when I look at my camera's not facing me at all. This is 54 up here. Yeah, a couple clicks. Put it right on 54 now. My light back on. It's pretty good down too. Let's see. I got -4 downhill. Just aiming for the center again. That was a little bit to the left, I felt it. But it's in the middle-ish. Nicer video, but yeah, I just wanted to wrap this video up. This is a long video, so if you watch it clear to the end, you're awesome. You know, don't be afraid to share this on your favorite, you know, Facebook place, one of your groups or something like that. That'd be awesome. Any of your buddies, share it around. I'm trying to get this thing up. I might do a giveaway. I would like to do a giveaway. I don't know exactly what I'm going to give away yet. I'm either going to give away some arrows or a set of stabilizers or maybe even a sight or something. I'm going to give something away. I want to hit that 1,000 mark. So if you want some free shit, share this shit around. Let's get this thing built up. I only have another 300 to make it to 1,000, which, you know, 1,000's just getting started, you know. Everybody's like, oh, I want to hit that 1,000 mark. Yeah, you hit that 1,000 mark, you're going to make, you know, 2 cents, and then that 2 cents goes back to the government for taxes, so you're not really making anything. I'd like to build this thing up. If you guys enjoy this stuff and like watching me and enjoy my videos, you know, I appreciate anybody who watches, you know. It's like, I got a long ways to go. I've been really working on my cursing and my swearing and my talking and making better videos. Hoping this is a little better quality video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, I had fun making it. I'm gonna go shoot it without the video. I'm gonna make an adjustment on here. Show you guys what I'm talking about quick. What I'm talking about. See if I can get this on video. See that pin right there? I'm gonna put it back on 20, and I can move just that pin. There's a thing. Let's see if I can get it on video. See this pin right here? If I put this back up on 20, see how I can move that whole thing there? If I put that back up on 20 and then actually put it like, say right there's 20, and then I'll put it 2 clicks up. I'll go 2 clicks up, and then I can hit this screw right here, and I can move just this indicator pin. I can put it wherever I want to. I'll put that back on 20, and that'll get rid of that little bit high that I have going on, and I got to do that and make sure it works, because if I do that and it doesn't work, it means I need to try a different number. I might try a number 8 next if this doesn't work. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Alright guys, appreciate y'all. Like I said, I know a handful of you guys that watch every video I make. You guys watch everything I do, and I appreciate the hell out of you.